Welcome to the Richardson Library blog. Here's a quick tutorial on using the Delta School District Library databases. So that's, for example, like World Book and Science Power and those types of things. So if you click on the Delta link right here, it diverts you to the Delta Learns blog of the Delta School Library. So if you scroll down, you can find lots of different resources for you to use. Let's, for example, use World Book Kids. So if we click on this link when we're at school, we don't have to insert a password or anything. But if we are searching from home, there is a login, and the login is Richardson and the password is Delta, and that you can do at home. So if we just click here and we just do a general search, maybe I'm going to look up planes. Click on here. I can either press enter or I can press the green magnifying glass icon, and it gives me 51 items to search for that have resulted in my search, as opposed to a regular Google search, which would result in thousands and thousands of results. So I'm going to click on one of the first ones here that just talks about airplanes. So I'm going to scroll down. It's got a nice big color image for me, as well as a detailed article with lots of different information. So I'm going to show you some of the neat features of using World Book Online. Top left here, it says pictures, videos, and more. So if I want to get some more visuals for myself or even watch a video, I can just click on the icons that color pictures and they can play for me.
These stunt airplanes take part in an air show.
So there's an example for that. Additionally, if you want to extend your search, maybe look up Amelia Earhart or the Wright brothers, you can click on those and they will take you to additional articles. But if we go back, I'm just going to go back here to where we were, back to the article that we were looking at. If we scroll over here, we're in Tools on this cog here. We click on Tools. We can save this article if it's something we want to come back to. We can share it, print it. Additionally, there are citations. So instead of trying to figure out how to give this author credit, there are citations already made for you. So whatever format that your teacher wants, either MLA or APA, you just check with them. And then you can just copy and paste this information into your bibliography or works cited, because that will give the author credit. Another really cool feature here is hear text read aloud to you. So if you're an emergent reader or you're just feeling like you want someone to read to you, you can, and we'll close that, highlight or click on a paragraph.
An airplane is an engine-powered flying machine. Airplanes are much heavier than air, but the flow of air around an airplane's wing keeps the plane from falling. Airplanes quickly transport people.
You get the idea. So you can have that whole article read aloud to you. So those are just a couple of the really neat features on the Delta School District database libraries. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you need hands, please come and see me. Thanks.